Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Myself Padma and today we will be seeing how to prepare doodh vade. Doodh vade is a long forgotten dish of the Konkani community. This is a sweet dish and I have referred a website that is Prabha's Kitchen, an introduction to Konkani cuisine, for its preparation. The doodh vade that I have prepared turned out to be very tasty and you will not just stop with just one. So ingredients. You need 1 cup rice flour, half cup thick coconut milk, 3/4 cup powdered jaggery, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, salt a pinch. Now grate the coconut and extract thick coconut milk and keep aside. You need only the thick coconut milk. Take rice flour, jaggery, powdered cardamom, Take rice flour, jaggery powder, cardamom powder and salt in a wide mouth mixing bowl. Prepare a smooth and a soft dough using thick coconut milk. Rest the dough for 15 minutes. Make lemon-sized pieces or lemon-sized balls out of the dough, which are just enough to make puris out of it. Now take a wet towel. It's always better to use Kerala towels, that is, they are called as torthu in Malayalam. See that you drain the towel of water, but remember that at the same time it should not be dry as well. Now spread the towel onto your kitchen counter. Place 2 to 3 pieces of dough onto one side of the towel, or if your towel is bigger. Cover the pieces with the other end of the towel. Now take a flat bottom plate and press it on top of each of the piece. Do not press too hard or your puris will become thin and they will not leave easily from the towel. The chances of puris tearing away cannot be avoided if you press hard. Once you have done this, slowly remove the piece of the cloth that you had used to cover. Below you will find round puris. Take them and place them on a plastic sheet or aluminum foil smeared with oil. Spread the puris on it. Repeat the procedure with the rest of the dough. Heat coconut oil in a kadai for deep frying. Once the oil is heated, you have to remove the puris from the sheet and fry them in oil. Flip over and fry to cook equally on both sides. In between, gently press the puris while frying to make them fluffy. Repeat the procedure with the rest of the puris. Your doodh vade is ready to be served. Serve it with tea or Thank you for watching the channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.